Like how when you make a building, you need to first put the rods, then you need to fill the cement, and then you do the painting over it. So it's very similar to that, right? Because I did not want to add that much of volume. But still, if you see, she has aging signs and we need more stabilization. So rather than going for cog, I am planning to get a haifu for her. Because thread करके भी काफी month हो गए, thread के immediately बात नहीं कर सकते वरना thread melt हो जाएंगे. She has a little bit of hollowness here, और यहाँ पे जो gap है वो haifu से close होगी. Although it will not close 100% with haifu, but she'll get a good lifting. So the groundwork will get ready. Like how when you make a building, you need to first put the rods, then you need to fill the cement, and then you do the painting over it. So it's very similar to that. She'll need one definitely for sure. In the coming days, I'll take a call that second sitting if we need haifu to be done, or we can go for threads to make it tighter. So if haifu is needed, I'll do the haifu for a touch up, or I'll do threads for more stabilization. So once haifu is done, there a ground will get ready over which we can put threads, and then we can add volume for contouring if needed. I don't want to add too much of volume on her face.